Jonathan Frakes on directing Starfleet Academy. From green screens to digital frontiers, veteran director Jonathan Frakes discusses his work on Paramount Plus Star Trek. Starfleet Academy, reflecting on the evolution of filmmaking in the franchise. His latest episode, 300th Night, focuses on a complex mother-son reunion, leveraging close-up emotional intensity as established by Alex Kurtzman. The evolution of Star Trek visuals, Frakes highlights the dramatic improvement in production technology. Where early Star Trek relied on primitive green screens and tennis ball eyelines, modern sets utilize advanced volume technology to create immersive environments. Digital extensions and atmospheric effects are seamlessly integrated, enhancing believability without sacrificing artistic vision. In the old days, we were staring at a F***ing green screen with tape marks on it. It was so primitive compared to what we have now. Directing for emotional resonance, Frakes' approach centers on two key script elements: levity and emotional connection. He prioritizes character development over spectacle, ensuring that audiences invest in relationships before the action unfolds. Starfleet Academy exemplifies this, focusing on interpersonal dynamics within a visually expansive universe. The director emphasizes that compelling sets and costumes support the story, but the core of success lies in making viewers care about the characters. Collaboration and legacy, Frakes credits the collaborative spirit of the franchise, praising Holly Hunter's nuanced performance and his long-standing rapport with Robert Picardo. He notes that while he didn't work directly with all cast members this season, his conversations with John Giamatti confirmed the show's enjoyable atmosphere. Frakes acknowledges a friendly rivalry with director Olatunde Osunsanmi, whom he trusts to deliver a strong finale after setting the stage with 300th Night. Their shared passion and stylistic alignment ensure a cohesive conclusion to the season. The director's experience underscores how Star Trek has continuously adapted, embracing new technologies while maintaining a focus on relatable human stories. The show's scope is immense, but ultimately, its success hinges on emotional engagement.